Goats were among the first livestock species to be domesticated. About 10,000 years ago, goat remains have been found at archaeological sites in Western Asia, dating back about 9,000 years ago, according to the National Zoo. Goats prefer happy faces. In a simple experiment, researchers put photos on the wall at a goat sanctuary of the same face, one happy and one angry. Goats tended toward the angry face and approached the happy face. Goats also have richer emotional lives than many people realize. Not only are they surprisingly intelligent in general, but they can also identify their friends by sound alone, and even distinguish other goats' emotion by listening to their calls. Both male and female goats can have beards. Both can also have wattles, hair-covered appendage of flesh, usually around the throat area. Wattles serve no purpose and aren't harmful to the goat. Goats are generally pretty hardy animals, but the one thing they don't seem to like is rain. According to USDA National Agriculture Laboratory, goats will run to the nearest available shelter on the approach of a storm. There are two types of goats: domestic goats, which are kind you find on a farm, and mountain goats, which typically live in steep, rocky area in the northwestern United States. Goat coats come in a rainbow of color and even a few patterns. They can be white, black, brown, and red. Their coat pattern can be solid, striped, spotted, a blend of shades, and they can have stripes on their face. Goats can survive on the thinnest patch of grass. According to Animal Diversity Web, so the only place goat can live are tundras, desert, and aquatic habitats. There are even some feral group of goat on Hawaii and other islands. Goats are born with teeth. Those baby teeth eventually fall out and adult end up with 32 teeth as human, 24 molars and 8 lower incisors in their upper front jaw. Instead, a hard dental pad act like teeth. Like cows, goats are what's known as ruminants, meaning they have a complex system of stomachs for digest. Goats graze using their lips, teeth, and tongue. It then takes 11 to 15 hours for food to pass through the animals for stomachs.